Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a QR code in Canva. Let's get started. Open Canva and go to your design or create a new one. Now we need to get the link we want to use for the QR code. This could be a website, your social media profile, or any other URL. I am going to copy the link to my YouTube channel. Simply go to the address bar, copy the link, and return to Canva. On the left sidebar, scroll down and click on Apps. Then, use the search bar at the top to look for QR code. Click on it and press Open. Now, in the Enter URL box, paste the link you copied earlier. Click Generate Code, and Canva will create your QR code instantly. You can now add it to your design, resize it, and place it wherever you need. And that's it. Now you know how to create a QR code in Canva.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.